This is the TP-Link VIGI InSight S485, an 8MP 4K full color turret network camera that brings a lot of premium CCTV features into much more affordable price range. And that is probably the most important thing about this camera, because when you look at the market right now, Hikvision has the Colorview and active deterrence cameras, and Dahua has their TIOC TIOC range, and Uniview has their full color smart deterrent camera as well. Those are all strong options, but they all usually come at a higher price point. The TP-Link InSight S485 is interesting because it gives you many of those same practical features: 4K resolution, full color night vision, people and vehicle analytics, active deterrence, two-way audio, PoE, IP67, weather protection, H265 plus compression, most important NDAA compliance, and a 3-year manufacturer's warranty, but at a fraction of the price. So today we are going to take a close look at what the camera offers, where it fits, and why it could be one of the best value 8MP full color CCTV camera for homes, businesses, warehouses, shops and commercial installation. Inside the box you get the VIGI InSight S485 network camera, a quick start guide, weatherproof cable, attachment and mounting accessories. So they are the ones actually in here. So it's a pretty straightforward package. You get the camera and the basic installation accessories you need for standard setup. Like most of the professional IP cameras, your Ethernet cable, NVR, hard drive and other system components will depend on your installation requirement. The camera itself has a clean turret style design and the build quality feels solid. It has a metal housing, which is always good to see, especially if this is going to be installed outside or in a commercial environment. It's also IP67, so it is a build for outdoor condition. That means it can handle dust, rain and harsh weather, which is especially important for Australian and New Zealand market installations. Whether you are installing it at a home, driveway or a shop front, a warehouse wall, a car park or an industrial site, the camera is designed to operate in real world conditions. It also has an operating temperature range from -30 degrees to 60 degrees Celsius. So it is suitable for both cold and hot environment. Now the main feature here is 8MP 4K Ultra HD resolution. The camera records up to 3840 to 2160, which gives you much sharper, more detailed image compared to standard 1080p cameras. The extra detail makes a big difference when you need to review footage, and again you can zoom in more clearly, identify people more easily, see vehicle detail better and capture more useful evidence if something happens. So for residential security, that means clearer footage around driveways, front doors, backyards, garages and even side access points and things like that. For commercial security, it is a great for retail stores, warehouses, office loading bays, entrance and car park where image details really matters. The camera comes with fixed lens option including 2.8mm and 4mm lens. The 2.8mm option gives you a wider view, closer distance, which is good for covering open spaces. The 4mm option gives you a slightly tighter view, that narrow view but longer distance, which is better when you want to focus more on a driveways or gates or corridors or any entry points. So one of the biggest reasons to look at this camera is the full color night monitoring. A lot of traditional CCTV cameras can see at night, but they usually switch to black and white infrared mode in the night. That still works, but you lose the color details. With this InSight S485, you get 24/7 full color monitoring using white LED illumination. So instead of only seeing shapes, and shadows at night, you can capture color details like clothing color, vehicle color, bags, objects, and other important visuals information as well. So that's a big advantage in real world security, because color can make footage much more useful. So if someone enters a driveway at night, or a vehicle comes into a car park after hours, or someone walks around the shop front, full color footage gives you more information than standard black and white night vision. It's a detail. So S485 also includes people and vehicle analytics, which is another major feature. This means the camera can help distinguish between humans and vehicles with general motion. So instead of getting constant alerts from tree moving, shadows, cats, dogs, insects, or any random background activities, the system can focus more on the events that actually matters. You also get smart detection features like intrusion detection, line crossing detection, region entry and exit detection, loitering detection, abnormal sound detection, scene changes, motion detection, video tampering alert, and illegal logging detection, and object moving or removing detection, and things like that. So for example, you can set up line crossing detection at a driveway, intrusion detection around a warehouse loading area, region entry alerts near restricted office area, or loitering detection near shop front or after hours, and so on and so forth. So this is where the camera becomes more than just a basic recorder. It becomes a smarter part of your security system. Another strong feature is active deterrence, active defense, I would say. The S485 has a built-in speaker and white light deterrence. That means it can trigger audible warning and flashing white light to help deter unwanted activity. So this is something we usually seen in a higher end active deterrent cameras from brands like Dahua TIOC, Hikvision, LiveGuard, and similar to full color smart detection deterrent modes, even Uniview. A camera should not only record what happened after the event, in many cases it should help stop something before it goes further. A flashing light and audible warning can make someone think twice before entering the property, approaching a vehicle, or walking around restricted area. So the camera also has two-way audio with a built-in microphone and a speaker as well. So that means you can listen and speak through the camera when it is connected to a compatible VGI system. For homes, this can be useful at front doors, driveways, gates, or side entrances. For businesses, it can be useful around delivery areas, warehouse entrances, and customer pickup points, or after-hour monitoring as well. Now, image quality is not only about resolution. Lighting condition can be difficult. You might have bright sunlight, dark corners reflection, car headlights, warehouse lighting, or a person standing near a bright doorways. So the S485 include smart video enhancement feature like True WDR, Smart IR, and 3D DNR. So True WDR helps balance bright and dark area in the same image. So if part of the scene is too bright and another part is too dark, the camera can help keep more detail in both areas. So 3D DNR helps reduce image noise, especially in low light condition, so the footage looks cleaner and more usable. These features are important because the real security footage is not always captured in perfect lighting conditions. So a good camera needs to handle difficult conditions and still give you footage that is useful. The camera also supports H.265 plus compression, which is very important for storage. So because this is an 8MP camera, the video files can be larger than lower resolution cameras. So H.265 plus helps reduce bandwidth and storage usage while keeping image quality strong. So the S485 also supports microSD card storage up to 512 GB, giving you another option for local recording or backup recording depending on the setup you make. So for most professional installation, The camera will usually be connected to a VIGI NVR or a compatible network video recorder, but having micro SD support adds extra flexibility. So for installation, the camera supports both 12 volt DC power and PoE. So PoE stands for Power over Ethernet, and that is usually the best option for professional CCTV installation because one Ethernet cable carries both power and data. So that keeps the installation cleaner, more reliable and easy to manage. If you are connecting this to a PoE NVR or a PoE switch, the setup becomes much simpler. You do not need to run a separate power cable to the camera. This camera supports 802.3 AF and 802.3 AT PoE with a maximum power consumption of around 12.5 watts. So another advantage, compatibility. The S485 is designed to work smoothly within the TP-Link VIGI ecosystem, especially with VIGI NVRs and VIGI management software, but it also supports Uniview profiles S, T and G, which gives it broader compatibility with many third-party systems. That is important because some customers are building a compatible TP-Link VIGI system, which others may be adding cameras to an existing setup. Now, talk about where this camera makes the most sense. For residential security, this is a great option for driveways, front entrance, like I mentioned before, garages, backyard, side gates, and outdoor areas where you want sharp footage and color visibility at night. For small businesses, it's ideal for shop fronts, retail stores, office entrances, storage rooms, stock areas, and customer entry points. For warehouses and industrial sites, the IP67 weather protection, metal housing, people and vehicle analytics, and 4K resolution make it suitable for larger and more demanding environment. For car parks, school areas, public spaces, and shared commercial areas, the smart detection and full color monitoring helps capture more useful footage and improve security awareness. So, but the biggest reason this camera stands out is the price to performance value. Hikvision, Dahua and Uniview all have strong camera ranges, and they all have their own version of full color smart detection and active deterrence cameras. Dahua has TIOC, like I said before, Hikvision has colorful and the lifeguard style option, and Uniview has full color smart cameras as well. But the TP-Link InSight S485 gives you a very similar feature, or pretty much same feature, set at much lower price point. You are still getting 810p 4K resolution, you are still getting full color night monitoring, you are still getting people and vehicle analytics, you are still getting smart detection, you are still getting two-way audio, you are still getting active deterrence, and you are still getting PoE, and you are still getting IP67 weather protection, and you are still getting H.265 compression, and you are still getting a 3-year manufacturer's warranty too. So, and on top of that, the VGI range is NDAA compliant as well, which is important for many commercial, educational and government related compliance focused projects. So the camera is not just a cheap for the sake of being cheap. It gives you a premium style feature set at a much more affordable price. At CCTV Tradie, we focus on supplying quality security products sourced through authorized Australian New Zealand distribution channels. This means customers get locally supported products, proper warranty support, and products suited to Australian and New Zealand installation conditions. The TP-Link InSight S485 comes with a 3-year limited manufacturer's warranty, giving extra confidence for homes, business and commercial projects. So final thoughts. The TP-Link VGI InSight S485 is one of the best value 880p full color turret camera in the category of this which I come across. It gives you a sharp 4K Ultra HD footage, full color night vision and active deterrent, two-way audio, vehicle analytics and PoE installation, H.265 plus compression, IP67 weather protection, NDAA compliances, and micro SD support, which I mentioned previously, and a 3-year manufacturer's warranty as well. When you compare it with similar style cameras from brands like Hikvision, Dahua, and Uniview, the value becomes very clear. So you are getting many of the same practical features people look for in premium full color active deterrence cameras. So, but at a fraction of the price. So if you're looking for a smart 810p CCTV camera that gives you a strong image quality, reliable outdoor performance, intelligent detection, and excellent value for money, the TP-Link VIGI InSight S485 is definitely worth considering. This is the TP-Link VIGI InSight S485, available from CCTV Tradie. Check the link in the description for pricing, availability, and more product details. And as always, thanks for watching our CCTV Tradie YouTube channel. If you like this, subscribe and stay tuned for more CCTV reviews and security products, breakdowns and installation guides, and many more other options as well. Thanks for watching.